The all-new Mazda 6e obtained a 5-star rating in the latest Euroncap safety tests. The new EV scored 93% in the adult occupant crash tests. The passenger compartment of the Mazda 6e remained stable in the frontal offset test. Dummy readings indicated good protection of the knees and femurs of both the driver and the front seat passenger. In the full-width rigid barrier test, protection was good or adequate for all critical body regions of the driver rear seat passenger. In the side barrier test, the Mazda 6e provided good protection to all critical body areas and scored maximum points. In the more severe side pole impact, protection was at least adequate for all critical body areas. Control of excursion, meaning the extent to which a body is thrown to the other side of the vehicle when it is hit from the far side, was found to be adequate. The Mazda 6e has a countermeasure to mitigate against occupant-to-occupant injuries in such impacts. Tests on the front seats and head restraints demonstrated good protection against whiplash injuries in the event of a rear-end collision. Mazda 6e also scored 93% in the child occupant crash tests. In both the frontal offset and the side barrier tests, protection of all critical body areas was good for the 6 and 10-year dummies, and the Mazda 6e scored maximum points in this part of the assessment. On the vulnerable road users tests, Mazda 6e scored a modest 74%. Protection of the head of a struck pedestrian or cyclist was largely good or adequate, with poor results recorded on the stiff windscreen pillars and at the base of the screen. The autonomous emergency braking system of the Mazda 6e responds to vulnerable road users, such as pedestrians and cyclists, as well as to other vehicles. In tests of its response to pedestrians, the system performed adequately, with some protection offered to those to the rear of the car. The system performed well in tests of its reaction to cyclists, including dooring, where a door is opened into the path of a cyclist approaching from behind. The system's response to motorcyclists was good. Mazda 6e scored 77% in safety assist tests. Overall, the performance of the autonomous emergency braking system was good in tests of its reaction to other vehicles. The car has a direct driver status monitoring system as standard, detecting driver fatigue and some types of distraction. The lane support system gently corrects the vehicle's path if it is drifting out of lane and also intervenes in some more critical situations,